You've just gone through a separation or divorce. The immediate crisis has passed, but now you're looking at your finances, your family arrangements, and your future, wondering what comes next. Many people focus entirely on getting through today, but the reality is that failing to plan for the future can create even bigger financial and emotional challenges later on. I'm Deepa Taylor, and today I want to talk about why long-term planning after separation is not just important, it's essential. I understand that when you're dealing with the emotional impact of separation, planning years into the future can feel impossible. But taking the time to think beyond the immediate challenges can help create stability, security, and peace of mind for both you and your family. One of the most important reasons to plan ahead is financial stability. When a relationship ends, your financial situation changes dramatically. What was once a shared household becomes two separate households, often with significantly different financial realities. Long-term planning is not just about next month's bills. It's about retirement, investments, housing, debt management, future expenses, and your overall financial security. It's also about understanding how support arrangements fit into your long-term financial picture. Child support and spousal support can play an important role, but they should be viewed as part of a broader financial strategy rather than the entire plan. If children are involved, long-term planning becomes even more important. Parenting arrangements should account not only for current schedules, but also for future decisions involving education, healthcare, extracurricular activities, and changing needs as children grow older. A well-structured parenting plan provides consistency and stability while reducing the likelihood of future conflict. Long-term planning is also critical when it comes to property division. Decisions made today regarding the family home, investments, pensions, businesses, and debts can have consequences for years to come. It's important to understand not only the current value of assets, but also their future implications, including taxes, growth potential, and long-term financial impact. Another major benefit of long-term planning is reducing future conflict. Clear and comprehensive agreements help prevent misunderstandings and disputes later. The more issues that are addressed thoughtfully at the outset, the less likely it is that you will need to return to court to resolve problems in the future. Good planning can save significant time, money, and emotional stress. At the same time, long-term planning should include flexibility. Life changes, careers evolve, children grow, financial circumstances shift. Strong agreements often include mechanisms for reviewing support arrangements, addressing major life changes, and resolving disputes in a practical way when circumstances change. People often ask whether it's better to finalize everything as quickly as possible. While it is understandable to want the process over with, rushing through important decisions without considering long-term consequences can create problems that are far more difficult and expensive to fix later. Taking the time to carefully evaluate your options now can help protect your future. Another common concern is when one person is unwilling to participate in meaningful long-term planning. Even in those situations, it is important to focus on understanding your own goals, rights, and priorities. Working with experienced professionals can help ensure your interests remain protected while moving the process forward. The key takeaway is simple. Long-term planning is not about dwelling on the future. It is about creating a stable foundation that allows you to move forward with confidence. Whether it involves finances, parenting, property division, or future support arrangements, thoughtful planning today can help prevent significant challenges tomorrow. Separation is a major life transition, but it can also be an opportunity to create a stronger and more secure future. You do not have to navigate that process alone. Follow us for more information about Ontario family law.